And let's get your details of our other top story this Monday morning. You've got the Furfura Sharif cleric, Pirzada Abbas Siddiqui, making a very controversial comment on what played out in Bangladesh last week during the Durga Puja celebrations, how violence played out. And you had, in fact, Abbas Siddiqui in a remark going ahead and propagating more violence. A video has gone viral on social media in which Siddiqui can be seen saying those who placed a copy of the Quran near the feet of Lord Hanuman in the Durga Puja Pandal in Bangladesh should be beheaded. Abbas further added that if Durga Puja pandals are being made on the theme of Kaaba Sharif, then Hindus should also embrace Islam. This has led to a lot of outrage. Abbas Siddiqui is a prominent figure from Bengal. The BJP has demanded the arrest of the cleric over his remark. BJP MP Rahul Sinha said that Siddiqui was trying to disrupt communal harmony in Bengal and he should be behind bars. TMC has also condemned this remark. Kunal Ghosh took a dig at the left, asking why they haven't condemned Siddiqui's statement. Remember that Abbas Siddiqui's party, the Indian Secular Front, had contested the Bengal election in alliance with the Left Front and the Congress.
তুমি যদি মনে করো তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে কোরআনকে অপমান করা, তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে ইসলামের বিরুদ্ধে বলা, তোমার স্বাধীনতা আছে রাসূলের গুস্তাখি করা, তুমি যদি মনে করো এই স্বাধীনতা তোমার আছে, তাহলে আমি আব্বাস সিদ্দিকী আজকে বলে যাচ্ছি আমারও স্বাধীনতা তোমার ঘর থেকে কল্লাকে আলাদা করে দেওয়ার সময় এসে গেছে।
Let's take this across to Prema Rajaram for more details. Prema, good morning. That comment that we just played out by Abbas Siddiqui has triggered a lot of outrage. It's been termed as a hate rant, a hate speech. Has any action been taken against Abbas Siddiqui? Has he commented or perhaps clarified what he said earlier?
Right now, there's no clarification from his end on his comments being made, the comments which we've heard right now in the video, where he's speaking in Bengali. The BJP leader Rahul Sinha has said that action should be taken by Mamata Banerjee on this issue. The fact that Abbas Siddiqui is trying to create a kind of a communal tension of sorts. So that is something that the BJP says. But his brother Naushad Siddiqui has written to Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina saying that action should be taken against the perpetrators of the crime, and also has asked her to look into the incident where the Quran was placed at the feet of a deity at a Durga Puja Pandal. So various aspects here playing out, Akshita, and in the backdrop of the violence that has taken place over the last few days in Bangladesh. But in the wake of all this, Abbas Siddiqui making these comments are termed as something which should be looked into more seriously. And we've seen Kunal Ghosh also asking for the left to come out and speak up because they were in an alliance with the ISF. Back to you, Akshita.
All right, Prema, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. We'll continue getting you all the latest reactions that come in on the story.